Investigative journalist David Hundeyin has literally bombed Omoyele Sowore, calling him a paid activist who does not mean well for Nigeria. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours. Now, renowned investigative journalist David Hundeyin has hit out at the presidential candidate of the African Action Congress, AAC, in the 2023 presidential election, Omoyele Sowore, describing him as a paid activist who pretends to be an advocate of the masses while acting as a front for foreign intelligence agencies. In a post he shared on X, formerly known as Twitter, Hundeyin compared Sowore to a Kenyan activist, Boniface Mwangi, whom he also described as a paid activist who is sponsored by some of the agencies who fund Sowore, saying both do the same style of activism, which are geared towards allegedly lining their pockets. Hundeyin accused Sowore of preventing genuine activism and revolution by fronting as genuine activists, but is being used by United States agencies to stop those who have a real interest in advocating for the masses. He accused Sowore of receiving funding from the Ford Foundation and pretends to run for public office when he knows he stands no chance at winning. He accused Sowore of playing an important role for the external interests that maintain a chokehold over Nigeria. He said that Sowore's job is to put his face and narrative in front of any resistance or revolutionary movement that grows organically, so as to take control of it on behalf of their funding interests and misdirect it elsewhere, harmless, so that it can fizzle out. And Hundeyin said, he says Sowore attempted to do it with NSAS and successfully did it with hashtag #bad governance. Hundeyin earlier on had slammed Sowore as a fraud and undercover agent for the agencies whose main task is to destabilize Africa through subterfuge. He specifically mentioned some of the agencies allegedly sponsoring Sowore's platform, to include the Ford Foundation and Makata Foundation and Media Network, who he alleged are all US agencies, adding also that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is also working for the same agencies. Now, these are some of the allegations that David Hundeyin made against Sowore. That Sowore is only playing games, pretending to be a contender in elective offices, but it was all a farce. And he has given an example to show that Sowore's running for president is all a farce because he doesn't stand any chance. This is someone who has never been a local government chairman. He has never been a councillor. He has never been a local government chairman. He has never been a state house of assembly member. He has never been a governor. He has never been participated in an elective position. And he thought he can bulldoze his way for the presidency of Nigeria. And Hundeyin recently recounted what happened in 2023 when Sowore was the presidential candidate of AAC. He said that Hundeyin said that he put out a media statement which he wanted all the political parties at that time to key into, okay, sort of. And he wanted to pass that message to the opposition party. He put out a statement. He wanted to pass it to all the opposition parties at that time. And it was then that it shocked him to discover that Sowore was running a one-man show. He said all the other political parties that were running for the election, they have their presidential council, they have their media team, they have everything, they have their spokespersons. But Sowore is the national chairman of his party. He is the presidential candidate of the party. He is the spokesperson of the party. He is everything that a political party should be, just in one man's briefcase. And he said to himself, this cannot be somebody who should be taken serious. And of course, you saw that in the last election, if my memory serves me right, I don't think he got up to 15,000 votes. That is, yes, I don't think he got up to 15,000 votes. That's the truth. So I'm trying to put it in perspective in what Hundeyin was saying, that himself and the Kenyan activists, they participate in elections, that they know they are going nowhere, but it's just for the optics, in the interest of their alleged paymasters, who are foreign agents. That's what Hundeyin was alleging. But is it not strange that Sowore would think that he would do better than any other candidate in an election where he is the national chairman of his party? He is the presidential candidate of his party. He is the spokesperson of the party. He is everything, all rolled in one. Where has that achieved any success anywhere in the world? If not those who are aware that they're just playing to the gallery. And we have also seen how ahead of the 2027 election, the country is in dire strait. Nigeria is literally collapsing under the weight of the incompetency of the APC. Nigerian currency is the worst performing currency in the world. Insecurity in Nigeria is the worst in the world. A country whereby even farmers cannot go to farm. Not even in Somalia, during the worst of Somalia, have we had a situation where people cannot go to farm. People are killed in their farms. Communities are sacked because of their farmlands. and taken over, renamed. These are key issues that deserve attention, in which the APC government and President Bola Ahmed Tinubu need to be called out on a daily basis. Instead of doing that, Sowore is more concerned with a fellow opposition leader, if Sowore is truly opposition leader. He's more concerned with Peter Obi. Peter Obi did this, Peter Obi did that, Peter Obi is this, Peter Obi is that. You hardly see Sowore come out with any strategic solution to any issue in Nigeria. You hardly see him call out the government in power, because Peter Obi is not holding any power. So if you want to restore power, or you want to raise power from Tinubu, he is the one that you're supposed to be attacking, because he's the one that holds the levers of power. He is the one in charge. So how do you get power if you truly are sincere? Even the end is not right. If you are sincere, you need to change the country. Do you need to change the country by attacking the person who is not in power? So if you defeat Peter Obi, let us assume, without considering that kind of thing is possible, if Sowore defeat Peter Obi in opposition, how does that help the nation? We know that he's nowhere near Peter Obi in any shape or form. But I'm just saying it. I'm just saying it. What is it that Peter Obi is holding that is far more important to you than the office of the president that Tinubu is occupying? An office that has failed to address the issue of poverty in Nigeria, the issue of insecurity in Nigeria, the issue of nepotism in Nigeria, and the fact that Nigeria is the poverty capital of the world. We have over 20 million out of school children. You are not bothered about the person who ought to change this narrative and has not changed it. You are more concerned about the man who has the best potential to take over from Tinubu and create a new Nigeria. When you act this way, who am I to doubt Hundeyin that everything you are doing is not in the interest of the nation, is not in the interest of Africa, it's in the interest of external factors or the external actors who allegedly funds you? How am I to doubt David Hundeyin? I don't know what to think about Hundeyin's bombing of Sowore, his expose on Sowore. What do you think? How do you assess Sowore, his role in the opposition, his penchant for attacking Peter Obi, his penchant for not focusing his attention on Tinubu? The thing has gotten to the level that now many people believe that he is actually working for Tinubu. What is your view? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.